What's up, girl? You wanna hop in?
Yeah, I want to hop in.
Wait, you are not a girl, bro. Wait, I can hear the guy in your voice, I swear. Wait, talk again?
Hello?
Chat, everyone, do you think this is a girl or not?
Oh my god, are you a streamer?
Yeah.
What are you streaming on?
Twitch.
Am I like famous right now or
I have like 70k viewers right now.
that's like too much people. I'm like scared.
No, it's fine. They're saying good things about you in the chat right now.
What are they saying?
They say you do sound like a girl, which is good.
Oh, okay.
But like, are you actually a girl?
I think I'm pretty sure if I was a girl or not.
Can you prove it to me?
Why do I need to prove it to you? It's just a game. I'm just trying to play the game.
I just want to see some, you know.
What do you want to see? How old are you?
I'm 17.
Right, so you're not going to see
Chat, what do I do here? Should I keep this team or should I find more people? No offense to you. Just gotta
No,
ask
it's
the
okay.
chat, you know. Oh, they said stay.
Well, tell your chat that
I'm a man.
I knew it! I knew it! Oh my god,
See, now what? Now what?
Yo, chat, I knew it too, chat! I can
now
hear it, bro!
what? Now what? Like literally.
I don't sound like a robot.
Look at
Yo,
you, look
chat!
at you.
Oh my
Do you want me
God.
to do you want me to help you?